This one is... We're looking at the cruise light view. Hi guys, come in. You wanna go look at the camper? It's cool. Let's go. I mean the bed. You can shut if your kids are making noise. Yeah. Come see the living room, guys. Let's go. Look at all this storage. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. The perfect spot for breakfast. You can eat right here. Okay. Stove and oven for cooking. This microwave makes the best popcorn for family movie nights. Check out this hidden bathroom. Even more storage. The fireplace doesn't make you cold, it makes you warm. This refrigerator will have many juice boxes and cheese. Hey, check out this fancy art. La la, ooh la, ooh la la. Shower in the best. This is where you brush your teeth so you can get your sugar bugs out. This is what you do. You know what? You take a long hot shower with the on-demand water heater. Outdoor kitchen. Stainless storage. This can be my room. Guys, check that fold up kitchen in Dublin, Georgia.